This is the new TWSBI Diamond Mini White Rose Gold version 2 fountain pen. It comes in the standard craft brown colored box with the TWSBI logo on the top. I did already open up the box. There's tape closures along most of the edges, so I already slit the tape open so we wouldn't have to struggle in the video. You just open the box like so, and inside you have your information about the company and your pen. And then this company always sends plenty of instructional information. We really appreciate that. So that's just more instructions. This is a foam protector. Your pen is surrounded by another foam piece to protect it while it's in transit. And then again, I did already slit the box open here. So this plastic enclosure also is taped on the edges, but I removed the tape. So we're just gonna lift it up. And then you have your pen. And then these little plastic pieces hold the pen in place. You can just pick them up. It's just a little plastic piece you can remove right here. And then you have your pen. So this is the TWSBI Diamond Mini White Rose Gold. And it's the second version of this pen, and people have been really looking forward to it. They added more rose gold plating for this version of the pen. The cap is white resin with the rose gold. You have the traditional TWSBI logo with the red background there on the cap medallion. The rose gold is wrapped around that cap medallion on the edge of the cap, as well as around the bottom edge of the cap and on the clip. You have a spring metal clip. The barrel of the pen is the demonstrator, and it's faceted. And then the back end of the back end of the barrel is the white resin again, trimmed with the rose gold. It's a really beautiful combination. It's a screw-on cap, and it let's see, and it's a screw-on post, which I actually really like that. Some people prefer a friction post, but I like the screw-on post. I don't mind the friction post, but it just feels very secure and classy to be able to screw the cap on when I'm posting it, which is also handy because this is a smaller pen, so a lot of people will want to have the cap posted. The section is the white resin again with more rose gold trim right around the edge above the nib. Your fountain pen nib is stainless steel with rose gold plating. This is a piston filler fountain pen. And when you're ready to fill the fountain pen, you operate the piston using the white resin back into the barrel, and you can see it moves the piston for you. So that's how you operate the pen to fill it with ink. Some cool things about the TWSBI designs are that they have such an interesting blend of classic and like modern industrial. And also they have a beautiful piston filling system. It's so efficient and lovely at the same time. And the ink filling mechanism is very handy because it features detachable parts, so you can disassemble the pen completely. They do provide a lot of, I showed you in the beginning, instructions for caring for your TWSBI pens. And this is just a really stunning combination of elements here. They make a great pen. They're fun to look at, they're fun to use, but I particularly think that this one, they got it. This is a spot-on design. It's really great. So if you're looking for a new TWSBI, or if you've been waiting for the new TWSBI Diamond Mini White Rose Gold fountain pen, this is it, and it's ready here at Pen Chalet, ready shipping now. So go ahead and check it out at penchalet.com.